Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Before I get started, please like and totally hit the subscribe button while you're down there. So I ran to the mailbox and I got 3 squishies. 2 are the same color and one's different, but one I'm going to keep in the package of the same color and the other one I'm just going to take out. So, just give you a sneak peek. They're ice creams and I am so excited right now. They're so squishy. So, this is the one I got one of. And just like, look how. Let's take a moment. Okay, enough of taking that moment. So, it's so squishy, as you can see. I'm gonna take this one out of the package. So look, I love the mint blue. It smells like chemicals, like a squishy chemical, I guess. But the cone is super soft, like, and it's not dense at all. It's so soft. Do you guys see that? Just take a moment. I love this. I love blue. That's my favorite. One of my favorite colors. And it's so pretty. And excuse my nails, they're gross because I took off my actual nails yesterday. Like the long nails, the fake nails. I took them off because they're bothering me. So, yeah. And then here's the back. The squishiness, I guess, if that's a word. I like it. Now, I got 2 pink ones. This is, I guess, will be the one I'll keep in the package. I'm keeping this one in the package since I have 2 of them. I'll take this one out for you guys. Wait a second, there's something on it. I feel like the color is a little darker in real life on this one. Let me take this one out. Yeah, this one. Oh, this one's softer than all the other ones. It looks like it's more surprising too. I picked the right one to take out of the package. Like, I'm not being sarcastic. It's flimsy. Like, let's squish it. Oh my gosh, this one's way more softer and way more slurrizing. That's weird. But it's okay. Let's just squeeze it like this. I love this. Oh my god. Like, do you guys see this though? I'm so thankful that I got these. It's so squishy. I'm probably gonna end up putting tape like on this so it won't like fall out, because these packaging, as you can see, you like line it up perfectly and then you close it and it doesn't like stay closed. Yeah. This one is so squishy, like, it's so squishy. Guys, I definitely recommend that you get this. I got it on eBay. I forget who the seller was, but just look up soft serve ice cream, because this is soft serve. I'm pretty sure it's just small. And here's my blue one. And you can't pick your color, I don't think so, because I couldn't. And yeah, but you guys will end up getting different colors. So if you guys do, and it was the eBay seller, just go on eBay and look up soft serve ice cream, and then these should come up. So yeah. I'm definitely gonna keep the packaging if I want to put other squishies in it, or if I just want to keep those in it. But I'm keeping this one in the packaging forever and ever. That's why I'm gonna put tape on it probably. So, yeah. And comment down below if you like the blue or the pink more. This is a better way to show you guys. I like the blue more, but out of these two, I like the pink. Like, I like the color of this one more, but I like how squishy this one is more. And they did come in a package, but I took them out because it had my address and stuff on it and my name. Okay, sorry, a message. But yeah, so guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. I already said that in the video, but I don't care because I'm so excited. And definitely comment down below if you have squishies at all, or if you have soft serve ice cream, and what color you have. So, peace.